Hey guys, what's going on? It's Matt here, and we have some news. The government put out a new application called Get My Payment. Get My Payment helps taxpayers that filed in 2018 and 2019 that don't have their direct deposit information with the IRS to go online, update their bank information so that they can receive that stimulus check through direct deposit. Now, the issue is that a lot of people are encountering problems when they go on the website. A lot of people seeing things like payment status not available, getting errors when in the form of status, and errors when they put in their information and it just gives them errors, or just seeing white blank screens. And that happens usually when the government puts out a new application the first day, first few days, because of the technology. Now, the government technology is very slow, it's very antiquated. So because millions and millions of people are going to the website at once, there will be problems. That will cause the site to break. People will receive messages that make no sense to them. A lot of people are saying, well, I've paid all my taxes and yet I'm getting this information. Makes no sense. You're not alone. There's a lot of people with that same problem, a lot of people facing the same issue right now. And a lot of people are afraid whether or not they're going to get their stimulus checks from the IRS, whether they're not eligible all of a sudden. That's not true. You will be getting a stimulus check. Just know that it's the technology that the government has when it comes to these applications they put out that causes it to break and fail. And there's lots of errors in the process. So what I recommend you do is make sure that you're up to date with the information that the government will be putting out. The IRS is already aware of the issues that it's having. Tons and tons, millions of people are seeing these error messages and seeing problems when it comes to this website. So stay up to date with what the news is saying and what the government is putting out. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to this channel because I'm putting out new information as I receive it, as I learn it from the news websites here. And as I do my research, I'm putting it out in video form here for you guys to watch and be updated with everything that's happening with the stimulus checks, the EIDL loans, the PPP loans, and everything that's related to that. So remember, if you're getting an error on the site here, the application, you put in your information, you're getting a status not available, or you're getting a white blank page. A lot of people are complaining that the information they put in, they're getting errors, can't compute at the moment, things like that. You're not alone, right? Tons of people are facing the same issues. Now, don't be afraid of you not receiving your stimulus checks, and don't be afraid of you not being all of a sudden not eligible to receive something. Just know that the government is very slow when it comes to this type of technology. You're not alone, and they're going to fix it. And we're going to keep you up to date on this channel. All right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.